All right, well, I kind of forgot to add a part to the video, and that is how do you even get a Steve Good pattern into Inkscape? Well, once you download the PDF, you can then come into Inkscape here, go to File, Open, locate the PDF. Once you open the PDF, you'll get this screen, which is completely useless to you. Once you see it, you're like, wait, what is this? This isn't what I want. What you have to change is the page number. So you hit the little plus sign and you'll eventually start seeing the letters. Like here you go, here's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, blah, blah, blah. Find all the letters that you want. Well, find one of the letters that you want. Once you have it, just hit OK. And this will then open the PDF of that letter. It's a separate one from what I opened here because this was the T. So the T is different than if I wanted the Z. So you're going to have multiple applications. So be sure of that. If you have a low end system to close out of other letters if you're not using them. So if you're done with your S's, close that out. Open now a T, do your T's, so forth and so forth. So yeah, so that's basically that. That's how you import any of Steve Goods patterns. If you want to edit them out, you can. You can also add, shapes. So you can go like this, go like that, and then say like path difference. Now, as you can see through it. You can also take a snowflake pattern if you wanted to and put it on here and do the same thing. Again, this will be a tutorial for something later down the road. I just wanted to give a quick whoops that I forgot to add that. So this will be edited into the first track and then the regular video will play. Okay. All right. So I was asked how to edit the um, Steve Good patterns, how to make them your own, how to do the monograms. One of the big ones was the winter monograms with the letters and stuff. So I figured I'd start out, keep it nice and simple for you guys. This is really easy, just literally couple steps. I think there's maybe 4 or 5 steps. Step one is simple. Find, type whatever name you're going to add. So in my case, it's going to be Tully. Choose the font you want. If I can actually see what I'm doing. Why is it always when I do recordings, things never go the way I want it to? All right. So, yeah, we want to change this font to whatever we want. Should be this one. There we go. All right, this one's, I call it, it's a 19th century whatever, but sometimes it glitches. I don't know why. All right, so we want to scale this. Hopefully you can't hear my guinea pig in the background. Seems he knows when I'm making videos. So make sure that your text fits inside your monogram section here. Yeah, that looks good. You can eyeball it. Always make sure it overlaps the pattern just a little bit. Doesn't have to be this much, can be less. You can zoom in and out by holding down Control and using your mouse wheel. So you can zoom in, you can see where everything is. Now what you want to do, these are the simple steps once you have this laid where you want it to be. Go to Path, Object to Path. Once you have that done, it looks like nothing changed, but I assure you this is now a path. Right-click your font and go down to Ungroup. Now you should have individual letters. Once you have individual letters, you can then hold down Shift, select the big letter, your primary of your monogram, come up here to Path, and go to Union. And that's it. You're done. You now have your pattern. This is a solid pattern. Now, one thing to note, if you're going to be making multiples of this for family members, different letters, do yourself a favor and keep one around and duplicate it. So hold down Control and hit D. When you do that, you now have a copy of it that you can bring over. Now you can edit this one. Once this one's done for my name, now I can come over here, Control Duplicate, make another one, change the name again. Because once you weld these, they're done. This is your pattern. You are finished. You cannot edit these anymore unless you literally hit undo, and eventually it will undo the entire thing, and then you'll be able to make another one, which is ridiculously annoying. Hopefully this helps. I kept this as short as humanly possible. So recap is simple. It's type the name, place it where you want to put it, come up here to object to path in the top. Once that happens, your text will then be a path. Right click your text, go to ungroup. Once it's ungrouped, you'll see individual boxes surrounding your letters. That's when you know it's good. Click on the main letter or select all of your thing by dragging your mouse across. Make sure that the main letter and your font is selected, and come up here to path, union, and you're done. Hope this helps, and have a great day.